Wow, what a rally! Marijuana stocks going through the roof! Okay, so everything's in the green except for Tilray down here, Canada Royalty, but Tilray is affected by the American markets, which are down. Everything was in the red this morning, and I've been watching the marijuana stocks who have been going up, up, up. I don't know what's going on. I guess it was, we hit the bottom yesterday. So let's look at Aphria, which is going through the roof. So I guess this is in, look at this, holy crow. Now again, we're at the top here. It might be a good time to sell right here, because that is so steep. Now I'm waiting for the news from Gabriel Grego, which he promised would be out today, and I've heard nothing about it. So this might be a really interesting day. I guess this is people just responding to Vic Newfield talking to B&M Bloomberg yesterday by phone. We didn't hear the phone call, but he just says he's going to be retaliating with, disputing the facts. But we haven't seen anything yet, so I'm actually really surprised we're having such a green day, despite the fact that the markets, like up here, the Dow Jones is down 479 points. NASDAQ is actually making its way up. Let's see, well, let's bring up the charts. So this morning, it was very depressing down here. all of my stocks, a lot of my Disney, my Amazon, everything was down. If you were to buy here, you would have made it like a bandit, because everything just started to go up and up and up and up. Now Amazon, I believe, is in the green. Let me check. Amazon, how are you doing? I bet you it's in the green. Good, good, good. Yeah, it was down. So that is good for me. What is not good for me is this stock. Hey, oh, I missed it there. This is not doing good for me. I'm not doing well with this. My poor Apple stocks. Anyways, let's go back to, now again, they pay a dividend of 1.65%, which isn't a high dividend, but at least it's something just to hold the stock. So you'll get $2.92 US per share, minus 15% that the US government hangs on to, which is annoying. So let's go back to marijuana news and check out these stocks. Oh my God, it's crazy. So let's see, is Aphria still going up? 31% up. So I don't know what is going on. Okay, now it's there. Yeah, see if I called that. So you should have sold right there. It could still keep going up. Who knows? I don't know what is going on. There's no real news. I know Amanda Lange gave the short seller, quintessential blah blah blah, quantum something, a hard time last night, but which is fine. Here she is here. Oh, we're gonna get a commercial. Let's skip. Oh, we can't skip it. We don't have to listen to it. All right. So yeah, I know I watched this last night. I think he handled himself well, but she was coming at him saying you can't come out and say it's fraud unless you have proof. So anyway, so let's listen to this.
Diversification. Pot companies have received plenty of attention since legalization in Canada, and for many the
Okay, so this isn't the interview, it's only a minute long.
lure of investing in these companies has been powerful. Whatever you may think of individual firms.
Oh, so this is almost like a warning. So argues investing in multiple, diversify to keep yourself safe is basically her message. But there was an interview somewhere on here, if you dig, with the short seller, where she was pretty tough on him. So maybe people are responding to that. Comment below if you know what's going on. I have no idea why the marijuana stocks are rallying like crazy. Were they just beat up? I know I mentioned yesterday that everyone was being punished for Aphria. There was no reason for the rest of the weed stocks to be going down yesterday. Look at MedMen. Now, MedMen was getting hammered yesterday. Absolutely hammered, and for no reason. There was no news against them, and they're up 18%. So that's good. So the market is, it's rebounding. It should have rebounded because there was no reason for them to be down so low when it was Aphria that was dragging the market down. I don't know why people are reacting to, or why Aphria is going up so much. It could be on Reddit. There's some people who have investigated the allegations and are countering with, saying it's false. I don't know. Do you guys know anything about that? Comment below. But we could do a quick a Reddit. We'll say maybe Aphria. Oops. There needs to be an A. All right. So here it is. Compilation of due diligence from Redditors on the Aphria situation. This could be what people are responding to. Where I think there's like boots on the ground. And they're attacking the short sellers' thesis and their points. So this might be a good read. Here, I'll put this link here in the sort of show notes. I'm going to read through this. This is maybe it. Maybe they've found some things that were false about the short sellers, report. I'll read through this. This could be it. If you guys know why, if it's not that, then what is it? I don't know. Now it's up 30%. Oh my God. If you had bought yesterday, you'd be making out like a bandit today. You could have sold right now for a huge profit. Yesterday it was down to $5. Now that's if you're like you're sort of like a swing trader or day trader. You would have made a lot of money. But you could have bought it, oh my God, you could have bought it down the 480s and sold at 656, and that sort of looks like what people are doing. But who knew? Because today was supposed to be the day where we got the second report, the smoking gun. Now it's starting to go back up here again. Yeah, let's look at Canopy Growth. These guys all trend together. Now I hope the rug doesn't get pulled out from underneath this rally when this new report comes out. If it doesn't at all, it's actually hard to find any like when the report's going to come out from them or what's going to be in it. Look at, they're all up. Wow, fantastic. So Aurora up. Well, look at that. What a good. If you're holding stocks today, wheat stocks today, life is good. I don't have any right now. Canopy Growth. I was tempted yesterday. Everything was in the red. So $40 cracked back good. So I was listening to some chartist talk yesterday about Canopy couldn't go under 37. Like if it was getting around 37, it was getting dicey because then it could fall. But so things have turned and back up. I like my Canopy Growth. Smith Falls is very close where their headquarters is, and they hire a lot of people. They had a Thanksgiving party. And they had 1,800 people at the Thanksgiving party, and they had to do it in 3 phases. So they had huge tents. So they split the 1,800 in 3, and then they had a party after a party after a party. So a lot of people in my neck of the woods working for Canopy Growth, and they say great things about the company. A good friend of mine works there, and if you work hard, he's making his way up the ranks, and it's great to have such a growing industry in the small town of Smith Falls. It's where there hasn't been a lot of jobs. It used to be a railroad town, ages ago, and there's been no work for young people, so they'd have to go to the city like in Ottawa or Toronto, and so it's good. It's great for the economy around here because, hey, you've got all these people making money. Yeah, it's good it's just good for the whole region. Let's see, what else do we got here? Everything just keeps on going. Bit of a fall with Aphria, so there's a sell-off because it hit 656. So yeah, there's a bit of a sell-off here. Now, has any news come out? I doubt it. I bet you it's just people selling their profits or pocketing their profits. All right. So Cronus is down. Interesting. Now, yeah, I wonder why. Although this must be wrong. Yeah, this is totally wrong. When's this from? Did they not update the site well? I remember yesterday the same thing happened. Like, we're seeing the rally, but what is this? Canopy Growth is not down today. I'm confused. Explain in the comments. I don't know what I'm looking at here. Why are these all wrong? I guess they're not all wrong. Those are right. But why is Canopy Growth at $30? Unless that's the... Oh, CGC. It's American. But why is it down? That doesn't make any sense. Unless there's... Ooh, that's weird. Unless there's a mismatch between the Canadian stocks and the US stocks? That doesn't make sense. Usually those... Alright, so it's falling. I still don't think it's because of any news. I don't think there's the new report out, but I should check. I could be wrong, but I think this is just people pocketing their profits from buying yesterday and selling high. Okay, let's go Aphria report. Short seller. What we got? Anything? 2 days ago. So let's change this to settings. No, tools. Anytime. Let's just say past 24 hours. This is still from yesterday. That's Vic. But he should have went on camera. I still think... Now again, the stocks have rallied anyways, but I think he has to show his face, get on BNN, Bloomberg, get on CBC, and, you know, go to war with facts. Not just, we're going to go to war, or we're firing back, but you need facts, buddy. Okay, yeah, nothing. We could go to their site. Is it quintessential? I can't see that word. Quintessential Capital. Yeah, that should bring up their site, probably, right? Here's Motley Fool, but this is old news. Let's go putting. Now I went to their website. I'm actually not that impressed with it. So, where is their site? I think it's QRM. Is that it? QRM. Okay, why isn't their site coming up? Let's get rid of the Gabriel. Is it brothers that are involved in this thing? The star. There it is, capital management. And these Hindenburg guys, I guess are in cahoots with them, and they've exposed someone else on Twitter, if you go to the Twitter feed. So let's throw this in. This should bring up the website. Or not. Where the heck is their website? That's odd. Don't know why. Oh, because I put in past 24 hours. Anytime. There we go. There it is. QCM funds. So I actually do like this quote. If you get here, but here's Aphria and Foley. Now this is the one they took down that was fraudulent. So this is their success story. If you want to read through that, and Aphria, here's their presentations as well. But there should be like a About Us page. I'd like to actually know a little bit more about them. That's odd that they don't have that there. I wish they were more transparent about themselves. How about that? Yeah, so that's what seems like it's odd that that's missing. Who's on the team? You know, if you're going after other people for not being transparent, why aren't you transparent? Why can't we know about the, you know, Gabriel, Grego, and I think the brothers involved, and yeah, I'm not too big on that. I don't know, what do you guys think about that? Put an About Us page so we can learn about you as well. Like, obviously you're making money, I get it. And hey, shorters have done great work with these, you know, there's that famous, what's that Netflix film, Chinese Hustle? You look into that, where the short sellers exposed these companies that were just shams, which is what you want. You don't want to invest in something that's, you know, not real, smoke and mirrors. You want to invest in great companies where you can make money. So we're seeing this fall. Still, I don't think this is because of any news. I believe this is just people taking profits, pocketing their, even if you bought in at 5. See, it was ballsy though to buy in at 5 on the way down here and expect it to go up to this, especially with the news coming. But I guess people were seeing the green trend and just bought into it and sold it off. Anyways, guys, comment below if you know what's going on. I'm going to look forward to this report. If it doesn't come out, that's weird, because I'm pretty sure I heard him say he's going to release something today. Anywho, I might do another video if that comes out and discuss it. I'll be waiting on that. Otherwise, guys, please like, subscribe, click that little bell so you'll get some updates, and have a good day, and hopefully everyone makes money. Okay, cheers. Bye.